Thought for the day, Sunday, August the 18th. Be people of prayer. Pray always. Say few words, but also, as Jesus says, pray continually and never lose heart. Luke chapter 18, verse 1. Pray always. How can we do this? And how in the hustle and bustle of everyday life? Doing every action as an act of love for Him, as far as possible, putting before every action, especially the more important ones, a for you, as some saints teach us. Because praying always does not mean increasing the number of prayers, but directing the soul and the whole of our lives to God, studying only for Him, working, trying hard, suffering, resting, and even dying for Him, and carrying out every one of these actions the best way possible, because we are aware of the fact that we are extending God's creative and Jesus' redemptive action with them, so that God's plans on the world are fulfilled. In this way, all our actions become sacred. It is, above all, with this way of praying that we fulfill Jesus' command. Pray always. Chiara Lubich, in Fabio Ciardi, compiler, The Breath of the Soul, Prayer in Chiara Lubich, Ciudad Nueva, page 142, 2023.
We are members of the Focolare movement from several Latin American countries and from Italy. Did you like this video? Then give us a like and subscribe to channel Playing Campaign.